Hello everyone, let's make a garland. This is for Eid, so I'm making a Eid name garland. So it's like a name tag which says Eid Mubarak. So this is a tea coaster which I'm using right now to make a circle out of it. Then you need a ruler and you need a thick sheet of paper like a chart paper or any thick sheet of paper. I'm having purple over here because I wanted to make purple and gold. So let's get started. So measure this and let's do from here, okay? So I'm gonna take in a bit, so here it's gonna be like this. Let's draw a straight line. Then my daughter will do all the circles, then I'll cut it out. So we are done with 2 circles, so we are gonna draw a couple more, then I'll show you how it is done. As you can see, we are done making all the circles. Now we are cutting them out. Once Wafia is done chopping them into single pieces, then she'll make it into a circle. So Wafia done writing down all the words which says Eid Mubarak. Okay, this is upside down. Here you go. Eid Mubarak. Then she's chopping it out. Once everything is cut it out, then we're gonna stick them onto the purple circles with the help of a hot glue. So we have chopped all the letters, like all the alphabets that says Eid Mubarak. Then we are going to stick that with a glue gun onto it. So here is the glue gun, it's getting hot. Here is the output. Finally I made it and it says Eid Mubarak. There you go. Super pretty.